to Python for Beginners, Part 3, Conditionals. Let's get started. So what actually are conditionals? Conditionals do different actions depending on whether a statement is true or false and are crucial in quizzes. Also, they have keywords including if, elif, which is the short form of else if, and else. To create one, type if and then a condition and then colon. Keep in mind that the line is unindented. Then input the instruction on the next line. It could be a function like print. So this line is indented. To indent the line, just press tab in the front. Number 3. Type elif instead of if and repeat steps 1 and 2. This is optional because you don't need to include the elif. Number 4. Type else and then colon. You don't need a condition. Number 5. Input the instruction on the next line. Remember to indent it. Boolean operators help compare things in conditionals. Some operators include equal to, less than, greater than, not equal to, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Demonstration time. So I will make an if statement. If let me write some variables first called question1 equals, and then this is a function is called input, which asks you a question. Input, then what's your name? Okay, and then this one, if question1 equals, remember there are two equal signs. The question1 equals Tom, but remember the colon. Then so this is another function called print. Print hello Tom. Okay, and elif question1 equals Matt, and print yo Matt, and then close, and then finally for the else it is else, and then colon, and then print print your name isn't in my database. So let's run this program. Okay. Save. Okay. So I will type Tom and then hello Tom. Now I will run it again. I will type Matt it will type Yeoman. Now I will type another name, for example, Tim, and then your name is in my database. The end. Please like, share, and consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you.